Hi, my name's Jeremy Lessaris. I came to the doctors in 2015 and I had really bad vision. Keratoconus was really getting advanced and progressive, and I just didn't have any other solutions. And so after I met the doctor, and they were really super informative and gave me all the inside information I wanted to make the decision, I had it done. And right after I left, I was a little concerned because it took a little time for things to adjust, but about a week later I started to notice a major difference, and it's been just over 3 years now. I came in for just a follow-up, just to check and see how things are going, but I already knew my vision's pretty much been fully restored beyond what I had before glasses, and I just couldn't wear contacts. So this has just been hugely transformative for me, and been really helpful for my vision, and I'm super happy that I got it done.